Today, I'm gonna show you how to start an affiliate marketing business with $0. In order to get started with affiliate marketing, you first need to understand what it is. And so affiliate marketing is when you refer other people's products or services, which means you don't need to create any of that yourself. You don't have to worry about returns, customer service, angry customers. The company that you do marketing for takes care of all of that for you. And so the first step is to choose a niche. A niche is a group of people that share common interests, preferences, and identity. And this is the perfect transition into step 2, getting an affiliate link. Great thing is that with these personal finance companies, they automatically provide you with an affiliate marketing link. A great example of this is Chime. They are a fintech bank that has been able to help millions of people, and with this one link, you can get $1,000. All you have to do is get 10 of your friends, family, or people you know to sign up for an FDIC insured bank and deposit $200. If you're like, I don't have any friends or family that's interested in opening up a bank account and getting a free $100 themselves, then I'm gonna tell you how to reach people you don't know in the steps coming up. But I wanna show you another company where you can make free money without a cap on how much you can make. And so this affiliate is Rakuten. If you haven't heard about Rakuten, they give you cash back for everyday spending. So if you shop at Target, if you shop at Walmart, you can get cash back for spending your money. And all you have to do is sign up for Rakuten and apply directly on their site. So let me show you how easy it is to sign up for Rakuten and get that affiliate money. So here we are on the Rakuten site. It says get cash back where you love to shop, plus earn $30 for every friend you refer. And so you're getting cash back for your everyday spending and affiliate money for referring your friends. And so all you have to do is 3 simple things. 1, invite friends to your link. 2, they join and spend $30, and 3, you each get $30. So not just do you get paid, but your friend gets money as well. In my book, that's what you call a best friend, when we both win. And to get started, you do need to sign up. And so you'll need to click join now, and it'll ask you for your email as well as your password. We are a couple steps closer to getting that free money. You can invite your friends by their email address, or you can share the affiliate link. And so all you have to do is copy, and then you can immediately share it on Facebook or share it on Twitter, or you can add it in this special place where you can share all of your links all together without having to give this lengthy URL. Instead, they're gonna see your pretty face as well as all of your links all together. So in less than 10 seconds, I was able to sign up so that I can get cash back, and I was given an affiliate link. Literally, this was super simple, no hassle at all. And so if you wanna take being a Rakuten affiliate to the next level, you can sign up as a Rakuten influencer. And this is where you can get paid a bit more money, and so you can get a $50 bonus after you refer 10 people. So there are levels to this. First, you start making 30, then you start making 50, and then as you continue with affiliate marketing, the money continues to roll in. And so if I'm providing any value at all, you can help me out by clicking the Rakuten link in my description below so that we both win. And earning this cash back has never been easier because you can earn it at everyday places that you shop. 8% cash back at Nike and Zappos, 3% cash back at Walmart, 2% cash back at Macy's, and 1% at eBay and Target. And you're just gonna stack up cash back and your cash referrals. And for the third step, you need to plan out how much money you wanna make every single month. And so if $1,000 is your goal, then all you need to do is have 10 successful Chime referrals. Or you can have 5 successful Chime referrals, which will be $500, and 17 successful Rakuten referrals. If you want to promote just Rakuten by itself, you just need 34 successful referrals. There are over 8 billion people in this world. To make an additional $1,000 every single month, you just need to refer a minimum of 10 people. This is easy money that I know you can make. It's just about being intentional about writing out how much you want to make and what you need to do in order to make that money. The fourth step is to create a link in bio. There are a variety of different companies that you can choose. My preferred company is Linktree. It's been around for a long time, and you can run your link in bio page completely for free. And so what's great about a link in bio page is that it acts as a landing page for all of your affiliate links. They don't have to see a super long affiliate link. What they get to see is a beautiful landing page that matches your branding colors and shows your personality. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to Google and type Linktree. Everything you are in one simple link in bio. And here you see a couple of examples to the side. And so at the top, we have templates. If you need some inspiration on how to create your Linktree, the template is a great place to first check out. And then we have a login and sign up to the right. Let's get signed up for free. And so it's gonna ask for our username. So for the username, I'm gonna include subscribe to Darcy's business. And for my email, it's gonna be subscribe to Darcy's business at gmail.com. And so if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing because I'm delivering so much value in this one video. So let's create an account. And so now I need to enter in a password. And so now it's gonna ask about your name and then what category that describes your Linktree best. I'm gonna say business. Whatever category describes you best is the one you're gonna include. And then it asks you to pick your business category. I'm gonna choose marketing and advertising. And then I'm gonna hit continue. And so here you see free, starter, pro, and premium. And so for now, we're gonna go with the free plan, but you might decide to upgrade a little bit later when you start to see the money roll in. And so with the free plan, you get unlimited links and link apps, clicks and views for the past 28 days, as well as able to collect payments, tips, and donations, and then 0% transaction fees, which means that you get to keep all the money. And now that we know how amazing this is, let's join for free. And so it says, thanks for signing up. Now I get to continue to my Linktree. And so now the fun begins. You get to create your link in bio. So let's click back to home so that we can get some inspiration on how to get started. And so we can get inspiration by different categories. I'm gonna click marketing, green. And so here you see honey pastries, you see a makeup Linktree, a skateboarding one. I already feel like I'm getting so much inspiration. And then we got celebrities like Pharrell, as well as Tony Hawk, and we can check out their Linktrees. I'm gonna hop back to my Linktree and click admin. And so what's great is that we already have our first affiliate link. So let me click back on Rakuten. I'm gonna copy and paste this link. And so enter the URL is the first thing, so we have it. And then we're gonna include our title, cash back, get $30 free money. So we have the link, we also have the title. Let's make this look a little bit better. So we're gonna click on appearance. That's where you get to add a picture of yourself. You can upload your own image, design with Canva, or use your NFT for your profile. I'm gonna upload an image that best fits my brand, and then I'm gonna add a description. Making money is fun, as well as change my profile title. And then once I do that, I'm gonna scroll down and choose a style. A couple of these cost money, but we're gonna go on the affordable option. So we have a cool graphic color to choose from. We could go for the clean white look, or we can go for the clean black look. I personally think that the black background really does make the text pop. So we have the link in bio officially created. In order to publish your profile, you will need to verify your email, but once you do so, you can click share and then copy your link. So now all you have to do is share your Linktree link, and it has all of your other affiliate links in one place, and you get to design it how you like. And so the fifth step is to post content about your niche on social media. And what's great is that you have a variety of platforms to choose from. You can choose TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, creating a blog on Blogger or Wix for free. And I say all of this because you have so many options. Let's say you're not good at writing. You don't have to worry about creating a blog. Let's say you're not good at making things visually appealing. You don't have to worry about Instagram. Let's even say you don't want to be on camera. You can create free designs and graphics on Canva and then put it on any social media platform you want. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have options. You can show your face or not show your face. You can be on TikTok or not be on TikTok. What I personally would recommend when you're just getting started, choose one platform that you feel the most comfortable with. For me, I chose YouTube. I kind of like to talk. And so for me, I can create long form content where I get to share tips and tricks on starting a business. And so you can choose any platform you like. And so let me know in the comments, how much money do you want to make this month and how many referrals would that need?